I just rode Flash. It is 12:15. I'm gonna see if I can get my picture. I lost my hat, so no hats on there. I threw it off to the side and went underneath the station. So that's what happens. What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. Today's adventure, we are at Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey to check out the Flash Vertical Velocity. It's the new roller coaster at Six Flags. I'm going to give you my review of it. Did I like it? What my experience was like? So if you're wondering about this ride at Six Flags, this is the video for you. Time for an adventure. So here's some information on the Flash Vertical Velocity roller coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey. It opened on March 29th of 2025. The length of the roller coaster is 1,430 feet, reaches a top speed of 59 miles per hour, has 2 inversions, and you pull about 4 G-forces. And it has a multi-pass launch system with the vertical rollback, and it does a couple of different stalls, corkscrew and a vertical rollback. It's one train with 24 riders, and the model is a sit-down thrill super boomerang roller coaster. All right, so the Flash, it was a fun ride. I mean, it takes off really fast when it's going back the other way after that initial push. Was it better than Nitro? I'm gonna say no on that one. I didn't feel like it was better than Nitro. I think Nitro's still holding it. It was smooth. So my review of the Flash Vertical Velocity roller coaster, it was a fun ride. I still like Nitro the most. After Nitro, I go Jersey Devil, then I put the Flash in there, then El Toro. A couple of things to let you know about this ride. They now have the free storage boxes. So in the line of the queue, when you get towards getting on the ride, there are these boxes and they give you a barcode. You scan the barcode, opens up a locker, you put your stuff in there, and it's good for the ride. And then when you get off the ride, you scan the barcode and remove your stuff from the locker, and it's completely free. A couple of the rides have that now, and I like it. I like the being able to just put, if you got small bags, not big book bags or baby bags or any of that stuff, but like a little small bag, you can put it right in there. Your cell phones, anything that you can't take on the ride will fit in there, and it makes it nice and easy, and you don't have to worry about getting a locker and paying the money for that. So that was a very nice addition. No hats. Don't try to wear any hats or anything. This roller coaster goes fast, and it does do a lot of loops and everything. Now, as far as getting the pictures, there is a gift shop, which is kind of over to the side of the roller coaster. So when you leave the roller coaster, it's the gift shop right there. They got the keychains, the hats, the shirts and everything. And that's where you'll see your barcode for your picture. So it's in that gift shop. Other things to look out for, it's right near the amphitheater. You've also got the Justice League ride. Wonder Woman is real close to it. So there's a lot of rides right in that vicinity. If you've been to the park before, it's where Cyborg used to be. So I think it's a very good addition to the park. Hey, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It helps out the channel a lot. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other. Peace out. And I'll see you all soon.